Hey everyone, this is Al from BoxBreakings.com, and we're here for the break portion finally of the 2012 Diners Elite freebie. Your sheet up on the wall telling you which teams you own in the order most teams own to least teams own. Joel and Matthew split with 8 teams apiece on the left side, and Jonathan, Stephen, Timothy, and William split with even teams on the right side. Four teams for each of those 4 individuals. Time now is 10:12 p.m. East Coast time, September 23rd. Your box of 2012 Donruss, Panini, whatever you want to call it, Elite version. Let's open this thing up and find out what you'll take home with you tonight. And here we go. Good luck. It was a little bit banged up here, right there. Hopefully the cards are in good condition. And here we go. So good luck. Zoom out a little bit and down a little bit. These are hard to open sometimes. There we go. And first card up, Nate Washington, Christian Ponder, Steve Johnson, Fitzpatrick, Mark Sanchez, Patrick Willis, Schaub, and Justin Blackmon out of $9.99. Ray Lewis and Jacobs. And DeMarco Murray, Alex Smith, B.J. Cunningham, a rookie out of $7.99, Peterson and Fred Jackson. These are not easy to open. Cam Newton, Seymour, Jordy Nelson, Greg Jennings, and Chris Johnson. And I do apologize, my daughter is crying right now, so I do need to go up and get her. This happens occasionally. I'll leave all these things just like this, so you can make sure that nothing gets touched in between the filming. So I'll be right back.